Hello guys, today we try to make a new video in English version. Don't judge me very strong because my English isn't excellent, but I want to create this video not only for other people, for all people in the world who want to watch our Black 7 channel. Okay. As you see, it's BMW X5 70. It has show, mistake on display, sunroof display, dark. Sometimes it's work and sometimes it doesn't work. I don't want to show what's happened here. I want to disassemble all panoramic roof on the table, and after that I want to show you all broken parts. Let's begin. Now we're disassembling for all parts this panoramic roof. Show all channel is dirty, very dirty. One of the water channel is full. A lot of parts are broken, and broken parts pieces are mistake, as you see. And this part, the most important part, it's broken, and it's this part absent too. All parts here are broken. Now we try to repair all these parts, and after cleaning and repairing, we install this panoramic roof on his place, and after that, inshallah, we will show you working panoramic roof. And now we finished our maintenance. Let's check it. All options are working. Everything is actual. Back and forward sunroof are working. That's all. For all questions about panoramic roof, Black 7 Baku with you. Bye bye. And finished. We forget about mistake on display. We have no mistake on display. Everything is working. No mistake about sunroof. Bye bye.